Hello, I am Spear Mars Over, author of the Heartbeat Udon world. Here I will show you how to use the heartbeat detection station. Firstly, you use your laser pointer to turn on the station. Go ahead and grab it and lie down. You will take your right controller, it needs to be the right controller for now. Place it below your rib cage, just underneath the heart. Now observe the graph. Go ahead and hold your breath and observe which axes gives you the most flexion. So I've already played around with it. I know that the z-axis gives me the most deflection. And then once you do that enough, go ahead and adjust the threshold. If threshold is too low, you'll get beeps way too often, like this. If the threshold is too high, you won't get any beeps. Beats, I mean. And if the threshold is just right, you will detect your heartbeat. Hold your breath again. And remember to breathe. And if you are done, turn off the station. And that is it for how to use the station. Hopefully you enjoy listening to other people's heartbeats in the world. I'll see you later.